I know. How have you been, kitty? First, you'll let me get under your collar. 'Cause I know you can't scratch that, and I know you like that a lot. Yeah, get under your collar.
Wow.
You
Look
appreciate
at you. Giving some.
And she appreciates that so much.
You appreciate that?
Okay, okay. There you go. I'm gonna give you lots of treats, okay? You don't see me as much anymore.
Wow, that's a lot of treats, Heathcliff.
Yeah, don't say nothing. You might get mad, but actually, for her weight, they say that's okay.
That's a lot of treats, Heathcliff.
Yeah. She actually, sometimes she'll leave a lot behind.
Thanks, human.
Sometimes I'll give her 4, she'll eat them all. Sometimes I'll give her 10, she'll eat 2. Sometimes I'll give her 5 or 6, and she'll want 10 more. I can't be like, no, that's enough.
Thanks, human.
That's it. All gone. Love you.
Wow. Finish it all, Heathcliff.
I run away so she can't mug me when I'm done. Then I run away so she can't mug me for more when I'm done.
She's almost done eating. Good girl. Have a good Sunday, Heathcliff.